What a week it has been in Valgard. We had to get another update out to show you guys all of the progress out here. As you can see, there's a crane on site over here putting up the supports for Drakon. It feels like it's been a long time coming. The supports have been on the ground for a while now, as well as the track, and now you can see there's a crane over here starting to put everything up. Now, actually, we've got a lot of the supports up already. It's only taken a couple of days. The red against the green of Raven, we cannot wait to see that. And over here, you can see that we've started to put up our brand new flat ride, the Valgard Swing. Now, this looks so cool. We're so pleased with how this ride's looking. Actually, the colours match really nicely to Pterosaur as well, which of course was always planned. But this is going to be such a fantastic ride for us. A really fun family experience that really balances off the whole of Valgard. Now, in a second, this crane is going to start lifting the main central arms into position, which is what the gondola sits on to allow the ride to swing around. This is going to be a fantastic ride. So yeah, let's go and have a look at some of the footage of the two rides going up. So here we go, the guys have taken a long time now perfecting it, making sure that the platform there is exactly level and making sure that the arms there are level as well so that they sit on top nice and flush. So yeah, let's have a watch, hopefully it fits. So here we go, a real work of precision here, dropping the main support for Drakon's first drop in through Raven's helix. It looks amazing, and this is really changing the skyline out here in Valgard. And whilst we've been here, the first pieces of track have been installed for Drakon. Now you can see the brake run here above me, and then behind me here, you can see the final bit of track here as the train enters the brake run, and the team will start working backwards, completing the layout and adding all the track. Now we think we're going to average about 3 to 4 pieces of track a day, but that obviously could change depending on the bits of track and how complicated they are to install. But the team are going to be working hard on this over the next few weeks, so you're going to see a lot changing here in Valgard. Some really big milestone moments out here in Valgard, and we're so pleased to be able to share all of this with you. You can really see now the columns are in, how the first drop takes shape, how the track will swoop underneath Raven, up through the helix and into the rest of the layout. Looks so good and we're really excited. It's been a long time in the planning, so to see this sat here now in between what was Cobra and now Raven is really exciting. And of course our UK first flat ride, as you've seen, the Valgard Swing is really starting to take shape with the top bits on, the arms in, and the gondola will start going in too very soon. Electrical fit out won't be long before we start seeing that ride moving and we can have a go, which will be really fun. So yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more updates, because there's lots more coming. What am I going to say? I'll just go for it, I'll just wing it, see what happens, see what I say. The Wild Swing? Oh, no. Brand new, no. Shape, no. Some rear, no. Through the helix of Cobra. Cobra, Raven, not too fast. No, arriving, it's already here. Corny ending. It's all cool, it's all amazing, it's all fantastic. Sure, that'll do. I'll get out of the way now.